Lose my wax. Is it coming already?
Can.
I'm gonna put some more heat in. It's getting too cold. Might as well warm it up a little bit. Wear out all the heat. The heat's going to oil out the cracks, you can see it better. Out some of that oil and grease. Move it around, make sure nothing really gets real hot in one spot. I'll work on this, I'm putting more heat on this side of the case. I want to work on that too, but heat in it. A lot of heat over here, so it doesn't break. It's starting to smoke a little, get more heat on. Heat in there, you'll burn the whole case apart.
Oh.
See how thin it is right there?
Yeah.
100 degrees, it's gone. And if it's smoking over there, I know it's hot.
Oh, yeah.
You got really hot over here to help allow that to bend up easy. Ah, I hit my fingers. I want to get it above that hole so it doesn't scoop the case from beating a little bit. Alright. Be nice if it moved, but I don't think it did. Not sure. The mark it will know, right? It's been marked. I don't think it's moving any. Moving all over the place yet?
Something's moving around.
I don't think anything's moving. Just the flanges are moving up and down. Looks like in the same basic spot it was. The hole's oval now. It wasn't oval before, so she's hot. There's our wax. There's the bubbling. Doesn't mean it's going in there anywhere, but it's bubbling. Air comes out the other side. It's kind of melting before it gets there though, but it's alright. Crack hasn't gone any bigger yet. Amazingly. So hot it's just burning the wax. Bubbling. It's hot. You can feel it. Gravity's got to help you, not hurt. Well, I'm melted real good way down the bottom of the case. Not sure where it all went to. It didn't come out the other side, so that's a plus. That did. Just down the other side. Case is starting to cool off, so it's starting to let it seep in better. So it's got waxy color to it, but I think that was from before. It'd be nice if that was new, but I doubt it. We just got a good layer of wax around that. If it decides to ever move, it'd be nice. Alright. So see how it's against the hole right here?
Yep.
So it looks like it might have actually moved. And the mark looks like it is slightly different now. So the mark is not quite dead center. Maybe we lucked out and it actually did move. I'm going to do that 2 more times there. It'll be gone. That is not moving. That blows it up too, so that doesn't help. Let's see if that moved any over there or not. Probably not. I think there's a little gap there. Did it have a gap before?
Big. Make it go away.
Yeah, it didn't move any. A pretty good hit too. I don't think so. The same spot on the hole. It's hot. She's hot. Warming my fingers. Just make sure we're down on top of that. Oh, the screw comes off. Cutting the screw head a little bit. These don't come out at all. Alright. Doesn't appear to be moving. I don't think it moved one bit. Ah, the hole is. She moved.
Yeah, maybe it did.
Can't see my mark anymore, but I think it moved. Hot. More secret sauce in there. Where it belongs. Pretty hard hits. I'm not seeing much happening there. Where are we at? We are definitely laying over the whole thing. It's hot. Maybe I just buckled the whole thing over it, bent it. Wouldn't be surprised. Kind of soft. Just buckling the whole thing. When you're punching, make sure you're not digging into the aluminum. You're still leaving a little bit of a mark, but not too bad. where an air hammer helps. Hitting.
Alright.
Steady pressure, but not real hard. It's definitely got a gap in there, but that might be the gap of what a gasket was. I don't know. See the gap through there? It's definitely got a gap. I closed it. I think it did.
Looks like it. Looks smaller.
Yeah.
I mean, it's moving.
If it'll move, it'll come out. Hard to tell. Probably not. Buckling everywhere. This is just folding over here, so not helping too much anymore. Yeah, I don't think it's moving. I think it's making us think it's moving. It ain't moving. Luckily, this is soft material, so you can put it in the boring bar and just bore it.
Yeah.
Just have to line it up close. So you cut it off. It looks like it's not going to come out very easily on its own.